Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. In this short After Effects tutorial, I am gonna show you how to create color and scale controls. You can change text color, background color, text scale, and text opacity. So, let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Rename it to the colors or whatever name you like, and duration to 5 to 10 seconds. Actually, the duration doesn't matter. Anyways, let's create a background layer. Go to Layer, New, and select Solid. Rename it to the background. As you can see, we don't have any color properties. So, let's add the color effect. Go to the Effects and Presets. Search the fill. Drag and drop to the background layer. Let's change the color. Now, we have a color property under the effects. Select the Type tool. And add your text. Align text to the center. As you can see, we don't have the color fill under the text properties. So, let's apply the fill effect on the text. Now, we have color properties. Let's create a color and scale controls for the text and the background. Go to the layer, then New, and select the adjustment layer. Rename the adjustment layer to Control. Now, right-click on the Controls layer. Go to Effects, Expression Controls, and select Color Control. Select the effect and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard. Now, we have two color controls. One is for the text, and the other is for our background. Rename the first effect to Text Color, and change the color to blue or any color. Rename the second effect to Background. Change the color to the black. Again, right-click on the Controls layer. Go the Effects, then Expression Controls, and select Slider Control. Now, rename it to the text size. Change the value to 50. Let's make it duplicate. Rename it to Text Opacity. Change the value to 100. Now, lock the effects and controls. Select the text layer, and press E to open effects. Go to the fill. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard, and click the stopwatch icon to add an expression. Just drag the pick whip to the text color. Cool. The text color is changed as per our effect color. Now, do the same process for the opacity control. Now, we can change the opacity with slider. Perfect. Press S to open Scale Properties. Hold the Alt key and click the stopwatch icon to add an expression. Drag the pick whip to the text scale. Cool. Now, our text got smaller. Let's increase the text size with slider. Cool. Let's connect the background effect with the color controls. The background color is set to the black in slider control. Hold the Alt key on the keyboard and click this stopwatch icon. Just drag the pick whip to the background color controls. Perfect. Now, the background color and text colors are changed. Now, our text and background layer is connected with the controls we made. Select the controls layer and change the text color. Now, change the background. Cool. It's working perfectly. Let's play with opacity. Let's change the text. Now, you've learned to create a color and scale controller. You can close this video if you want. Anyways, let me show you one more example. Create a new composition. And create background layer. Apply the fill effect on the background layer. Now, change the fill color to any color you want. Select the ellipse tool. And make a circle shape. Rename the circle shape to Circle 1. Now, we have to make 5 more circle shapes. So, select the Circle 1 and make it duplicate 5 times. Now, we have 6 circles layers and 1 background layer. Let's create an adjustment layer. Rename it to the color controls. Right-click on it. Go to the Effects, Expression Controls. And select Color Control. Rename it to Circle 1. And change the fill color to white. Now, duplicate this effect 5 times. Now, rename the last effect to the background. And change the fill color to the black. Let's connect the layers to the controls. Just lock the Effect and Controls panel. Select all the shape layer. And press E on the keyboard 2 times to open the effects. Now, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and press the stopwatch to add an expression. Perfect. Now, drag the pick whip to shape one color in Effect Controls. Now, do the same process for remaining shapes. Now, our shape layers are connected with the color effects we made. Let's change the color of each shape. Cool. It's working perfectly. I hope you've learned a lot from this tutorial. Please hit the like button if you find this video helpful. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you next time on Rizat Graphics. Thanks for watching. Good luck.